When your why is big enough, you will find your how. Are you a soulpreneur who's feeling a little off track or out of sorts, or maybe you're a soulpreneur who's just starting out? Well, if you're in either one of these places, there's something I want you to stop and do right away, and that is to create your why statement. Because when you have your why statement, you'll be grounded, centered, and aligned with your truth. For the best advice on confidently living your path of purpose while owning your authenticity, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to get notified when I release a new video each Thursday. Welcome to The Inner Fire with me, Heather Evans, your confidence coach and career vision strategist. It's time to live your life of purpose while owning your authenticity. Let's ignite our potential together. I work with women soulpreneurs from all around the world, and I will tell you there is something intangible within each and every single one of them. And that intangible thing that I've found, that thing that keeps them focused, determined, and on their path of purpose, it's their why statement. They know why they're in it. They know why they are here to make a difference in the world. I want you to have that same thing. I'm going to walk you through the steps that I take my clients through to get crystal clear on what your why statement is. This is going to be the thing that enables you to not be shaken, not be stirred, but stay fully focused on walking your confident path of purpose. The first question I want to ask you is, what are your values? These are the core of who you are. It's essentially a judgment statement on what you value most in the world. Some examples of this might include that you value money, you value family, you might value giving back, you might value honesty. Whatever it is that you value, I want you to write it down. Either open up a blank Word document on your laptop or Pages, open up notes on your phone, or pull out a journal. But I want you to get crystal clear on what the values are that you have in your life. The second thing I want you to take a look at is, what are your standards and principles? What standard do you hold yourself up to? Is the standard that you're holding yourself up to different from the standard that you have for other people? And why might that be? I know for a long time I was always holding myself to a higher standard than I had for other people, until I realized that I was human. And once I got comfortable with my humanness, I was able to ease off a little bit. But what are the standards you have for yourself? What are the standards that you have for others? And what are the principles that you hold yourself to? The next question I want you to ask yourself is, what makes you happy? What lights you up and brings you joy in your life? Is it being outdoors, spending time with your family, cooking in the kitchen, going to see movies? Is it singing in the shower? Whatever it is, I want you to feel that excitement and joy as you're writing these things down. So in this next phase, you're writing down what makes you happy in life. I really want to know what makes you happy. Comment below and share with us what brings you happiness and joy. The next question is, who and what inspires you? Just to give you some guidance here, in terms of the who, it can be people who are living or dead. It can be people who are real or fictional. I know some of my clients have been really inspired by some of their favorite characters in books. I had one client who said that she was really inspired by Hermione in the Harry Potter books. So anything goes here. Who inspires you? And then the other part of this question is, what inspires you? What is it that you do or you see other people doing that you find really inspirational? I know I've been inspired by ultra runner Chrissy Mail. I think what she's achieved in the ultra running community is exceptional. So she is definitely somebody that I would include on my list of who and what inspires me. So when you put all of these things together, your values, your principles, your standards, the things that light you up, now you are ready to create your why statement. I want you to make it concise, and I also want you to make it meaningful. After all, you're a soulpreneur. So now you're going to put all of these things together and create your why statement. I want you to have it include what it is you do, who it is you serve, and why you are doing it. I'm going to read you mine as an example here. I work with women soulpreneurs who want to up-level their life and work because I believe each of them possesses the talent and strength to make a positive impact in this world. It's all about my belief in these women. That is why I do this work. That's why I'm here in service to women soulpreneurs around the world. I love watching their aha moments. I love seeing their talent shine, and it lights me up every single day. So what is your why statement? Be sure to put yours together, keeping your values, standards, principles, and what makes you happy in mind. There's this great quote, and I want to read it to you. It says, "When your why is big enough, you will find your how." You don't need to know exactly how you're going to execute everything at this moment, but you surely need to identify what your why is. Because again, when your why is big enough, you will find your how. To help you out, in the creation of your why statement, I've created a little guide that you can access using the link below. Are you wondering what your path of purpose is? Be sure to check out my video on that. I'll include a link for that below as well. Once you've got your why statement, be sure to come back and share it with us in the comments below. I love being inspired by the positive difference you all are making in this world, and I can't wait to read your why statement. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to get notified when I release a new video each Thursday. In addition, share this with your fellow soulpreneurs, especially if you know that they can benefit from having a why statement.